Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study maths for NDA. First, thoroughly understand the complete syllabus, noting key topics. Next, prioritize these topics by analyzing past exam papers to identify high-weightage areas. Finally, collect all necessary study materials, including recommended textbooks and online resources, to build a strong foundation. This structured approach ensures efficient preparation. Once you have your materials, dedicate time to truly understand each mathematical concept. Don't just memorize formulas, grasp the underlying principles. Consistent daily practice is crucial. Aim to solve a diverse range of problems. For each topic, try to complete at least 50 questions to solidify your understanding and improve problem-solving speed. Revision is key to retaining information. Set aside dedicated time each week to review all formulas, theorems, and concepts you've studied. Begin taking full-length mock tests weekly to simulate exam conditions and manage your time effectively. After each test, thoroughly analyze your performance to pinpoint areas needing more attention and focused practice. As the exam approaches, ensure you maintain a healthy lifestyle, including adequate sleep and a balanced diet, to keep your mind sharp. Briefly review your self-made short notes and important formulas on the day before the exam. Remember to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Stay calm and confident on exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.